up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Once you see all three faces, you already know. We're trying some more snacks. Okay, so...
He's a comedian in the family.
So we got garlic cracker nuts. And this is from the Philippines. My recommended this one. There you go.
They don't sound solid enough. Sound a
Right.
little hollow.
Just cut me expected if you take from my hand.
No, you put in your hand, you got to finish. I might want to. So it's not gonna
Open
work.
upon me nose.
Vampire.
So she over here, she gonna fool her hands.
You got to take out your hand. You put your own misery.
But it's not. It's okay. So after you chew it, it's not that bad.
Mm-mm.
It's not that bad.
But the first part of it,
Keep the vampire.
You get used to it. It's not bad. Okay, like he said, keep the vampires.
Keep the vampires. Man. So I recommend it for you vampires out there.
Okay. Okay, next we gonna try tuna jerky,
Oh Lord.
lemon salt. This is one. This one's from Hawaii.
Aloha.
There you go.
I'll be greedy this time again, you know. Christ, I'm still have to find a big piece, huh?
Right. Mm-hmm. It's okay. This must have been expensive. Was it a $10 bag?
I don't even remember how much it was. It's a pack.
More than one?
Yeah, like
No,
different
Scott.
ones.
No.
No,
That's not enough to taste.
How you tell me you got what you got?
Right.
More than enough. I don't care much. You want help? Not you.
He said, you want help? Not me. That means you're not good.
It's okay. I'm just not taking no extra chance. Hell no. That's not a go. Maybe for your cat. Your cat will love it. That'd be a perfect treat for your cat.
Yeah.
That might make me cry.
Hell no. 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 Don't. If your cat will love it, a treat for your cat, perfect.
It's making me cry, so that's a no.
Ooh, wait, damn.
Not
I need more.
for human consumption. Sorry.
Oh. I didn't even make it.
Should do our next one. No.
Not yet, not yet.
Ooh, there's another one.
Okay, so this one is... Okay, so crispy puffed rice crackers.
Yaki mocha.
This one's from California.
A mocha or mochi? Yaki
Mochi. Don't look good at all.
You in the middle, you next. I'm gonna give
No.
Oh, excuse the pig.
Is that your from Batura?
It's a napkin.
Why?
No, sir.
Like a burnt toenail.
Burnt toenails, sir?
Yeah, you know I eat my toenail, so you burnt toenail.
Let's go somebody a roast toenail.
Mommy. The snacks are making me cry.
Homeless person would eat them.
Not even a
Not
homeless.
even
No,
homeless.
a hungry person won't eat. Hell no. Oh, gotcha.
Seriously.
Ooh,
I mean,
yeah,
who
my head
makes
hurt.
this stuff?
Oh, God.
Okay.
No, Jesus, crispy white.
Crispy
sardine.
white sardines.
Oh, God,
And this is from Thailand.
Got some hot sauce.
Sardine, baby. Probably tastes good.
Yeah, we got some hot sauce.
Reggae radio, not even smell, right?
It don't.
It look like sardine.
Jesus.
Mommy, just okay. See, we just gotta
Sardines. Smell just like
Right.
sardines.
Just get the
I
whip
want
on,
2, 3
just-
we are going to do.
No.
Coming. The flavor. Ooh.
Mm-mm.
Ooh. Ooh, hell no. Hell no.
Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm.
Woo. Oh, Jesus, Lord. They done messed the sardines up, and I like sardines. Ooh, hell no. No. Oh, this is trouble.
least
I'm not
last
coming
week.
over next Sunday. You putting up with this shit? Oh, God.
No, that it's bad. It's really bad. The white sardines is bad.
Terrible. Terrible.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. No,
Ooh.
sir.
Okay, then I go stop Scott from come over and spend this.
It's okay. I'll find him.
Scott said, can I do this?
Okay, so this one's probably gonna be good.
So why we never leave that for last night? Eat that
Okay.
first?
Another tuna jerky, original. The original woman, yeah, probably good.
Tough it up.
Hey, mommy.
No, you pick your own parts, and I get mine. I mean, pass me.
You want the smallest
And the
piece.
smallest piece.
Oh, man, I know better. Ooh-wee.
A rubber.
Eraser?
This piece is like rubber. It's not chewing.
That's what jerky is supposed to be.
No, Scott. This is supposed to can chew it. Napkin there.
My, I know where you live.
Oh, God.
I'm not bad. I can do that.
I do not like it.
I'm pretty good. A little teriyaki. I ain't got teriyaki in it.
No, it's original.
Yeah, sure, it's
The
original.
teriyaki is for next Sunday.
Oh, my original, that's pretty good. I like that one. I'll say yes on that.
Really?
It's fine with me.
Yummy flakes, shrimp flavor. Final snack.
Yep, like, you can't go wrong with shrimp.
Yes, you
Shrimps.
can.
Is it
Remember
shrimps
last
or
well,
shrimp?
you liked it.
Yeah, that's pretty decent.
Shrimps. Strawberries.
What you got there?
Oh, this is from Philippines. Yeah, Philippines.
It smells like Funyuns.
Not bad.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
Does taste like shrimp.
A little light. A little light. It's good.
I like this one.
So you can actually fry some shrimp, and you can have you a cracker with your shrimp.
And then you squirt with your scramble.
No.
Yep. Yeah, take photo. Okay, so this one,
Yes.
sorry, mommy.
Yes.
The shrimp flakes,
Thumbs
that's
up.
a yes.
That's a hell no. No. Not at all.
This one made me cry.
I say yes.
Yes for
That's
Scott,
one
no
thumb
for
up,
us.
2 thumbs down, but
Yeah.
Oh, God.
No,
Hell no.
no,
No.
no. No.
And that, oh,
It's a
wow.
hard no for
That's
this
a
one.
hard,
Good
hard
for your,
no.
for your puss, not your puss, pussy
Yeah.
cat, your pet, not your other puss, your pet, that puss. No, cat to go meow.
It's good for your cat, but not for humans.
Not human cat,
Is what he's trying to say.
four-legged cat, not two-legged cat. So get it together, y'all, because I don't want y'all to put it up in your Hulu. Not that cat.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah.
Okay, guys. So.
This family is a mess.
I'm just
I need
saying.
to let y'all know this
Some
family
people are
is
special,
a
they
mess.
legalize that stuff, so y'all getting that stuff, you might put it up in your Hulu. No.
Sometimes you gotta be specific.
Yes, you do.
For real.
You're right, to let you know. It's not for the VJJ, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so if you like the video, just let us know below. If you want to see more of this one, let us know. Would you?
I can't take it.
No, Scott is coming back. If he doesn't come back, then I know where he lives. I'll go
He's the
find
star
him.
of the show, so
We
he
have
gotta
good
be
Sunday.
here.
I'll be here bright and early.
There you go. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
See ya.
Bye.